Hey there, I'm Alexa Wright, and today I want to bring you along on a creative adventure and experiment. We're going to make some emo teenage dreams come true. We're going to customize an electric guitar. We're going to use the art forms of digital photography, digital collage, and decoupage. Decoupage is an art form that dates back as early as the 12th century, and it involves cutting and gluing paper to decorate a surface. As a teenager who dabbled in the electric guitar, I had an infatuation for Les Paul guitars specifically. Jade Puget from AFI, Paul Banks from Interpol, they just made the black Les Paul guitars look so beautiful. This project is in no way sponsored by Les Paul. It is not some kind of official collaboration. This is totally a passion project. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a multidisciplinary artist and designer based in Los Angeles, California. Enjoy the video. Bye! Look at this beautiful neck. There's kind of a little flaw, a little crack back here, which is not ideal.
Hey there, my name's Alexa. I received the Les Paul Epiphone from you in the mail. There's a crack in the neck though, so I was wondering if I could get it exchanged for a new one. Thank you so much. Bye.
Take two.
I ordered marbleized papers that I want to form the base of the collage. These papers, though, have the most beautiful color palette of all, and I want to cover the majority of the guitar with papers like this. you. Thank you for your time in watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if it resonated with you, please consider leaving a thumbs up to show that you liked it, leaving a comment with your thoughts and feelings, and subscribing so that you can stay tuned for future videos. Your support means more than you think, and it tells the algorithm that these videos and this channel are worth watching. So I can keep making videos like this for you, just for you.